The Madrid system is an international mechanism that provides a simple way to register a trademark in other countries which are members of the Madrid Protocol. I'm Shireen Smith, a brand lawyer working internationally on brands and trademarks. Thanks to treaties between countries, there's an international approach to trademarking so that you can use one lawyer as your central communication point. If that's me, I then engage a lawyer in any country where a local specialist is needed. Many countries are party to the Madrid Protocol, including the UK, USA, Canada, China, Australia, the EU, etc. And more countries are joining all the time. Notable absences right now are Hong Kong and South Africa. So if you needed a trademark in those countries, I'd get one of my local agents to handle the work. The starting point with trademarks is to apply to register a trademark in your home country. That's known as the base application. Wherever you're located, you can start the process off with me because I have a worldwide network of trademark attorneys that I involve as necessary. International trademarking can get very complex, so having a single point of contact is the best way to get good prices and useful information without the barriers of language, etc., getting in the way. So if your home country is party to the Madrid Protocol, we can then extend that registration to other countries of your choice. We do so using a single Madrid system application, applying for protection in your desired countries. There are many advantages of registering through the Madrid Protocol in terms of ease of administration, cost savings, and flexibility because the Madrid application uses a single form. We simply list all the countries in which you want to apply for trademark protection and specify the classes. That determines the costs involved. Note that it's not possible to include classes that were not listed in your initial home country base application. So that application is the foundation of your international protection and should be really well drafted. I'd recommend using an experienced lawyer for it rather than adopting a DIY approach. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll get a lot more videos like this one. Now, while it's not cheap to apply for protection in other countries, at least the mechanism of the Madrid system enables you to apply without the need to engage attorneys in every other country to do so. Your chosen attorney would extend your base application to other countries. The costs can quickly mount if you need to register in a number of classes and countries. So if you're on a tight budget, you need to choose the most important markets for your brand initially. Also, you should consider carefully whether you can limit the classes in which you apply to. The trademark registries of the countries specified in your application have 18 months in which to raise any objections to your application. If none are raised, your application is accepted and your trademark is then registered in that country. Once you file an application under the Madrid system, if objections are raised in any given country, your mark will not be accepted there unless you're able to overcome the objections. Overcoming objections entails engaging the services of a local lawyer in that country because only those lawyers have what's known as rights of audience to correspond with the registry in question. If your application fails in any of your desired countries, it will still be acceptable in other countries unless there are valid objections raised against it in any of those countries too. One point to be aware of is that if your base application is cancelled for any reason, you would lose your international trademark protection. So that base application plays a hugely important role. Don't ever forget to renew it. Otherwise, your entire international trademark edifice would fall. What about if the country in which you want to secure a trademark isn't party to the Madrid system? What then? Well, in those cases, we'd engage local lawyers in that country to apply in their local trademark registry directly. As mentioned, I've got a worldwide network of agents that I use, so I can handle your trademark needs wherever you're based. Just get in touch and/or subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. To continue learning, watch the next video shown on this screen. Bye for now.